Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our account on Meesho app. So for that you need to open up your account, and after that click on account on the bottom right corner, and then you will be able to see this option of help center. Just open up help center, and in help center just scroll down and click on this option of browse all help topics, and there you will be able to find this option of cannot find issue. Just click on that option, and then just click on the option of that you have not received the appropriate help and select no option, and then click on call and choose your language of call. And after that you will receive a call from Meesho app, and they will be able to call you in the language that you have selected, and they will be able to help you out with your account deletion. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.